In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete CoinGecko account. Before we get started, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is permanent. This typically removes your profile, watch lists, price alerts, and any preferences tied to that login, and you won't be able to recover them later. If you want to keep anything for reference, consider taking screenshots or saving notes before you begin. Open your web browser and head to coingecko.com. Wait for the homepage to load fully so the account menu appears correctly. Look to the top right corner of the page for the profile icon. If you're not already signed in, click there and log into the account you intend to delete. Make sure you're using the correct account to avoid removing the wrong one. Once you're signed in, open the same profile icon menu and select Login and Security. This takes you to the Security Settings area, which is where CoinGecko places options related to your account's protection and removal. Give the page a moment to load, then scroll until you find the section labeled Delete Account. Read any notes on that section so you're clear about what deletion means and whether it's immediate or scheduled. When you're ready, click Delete Account. A confirmation prompt will appear. To prevent accidental removal, CoinGecko requires you to type a specific confirmation word. In this case, enter the word delete exactly as shown in the prompt. Be precise with spelling and case so the button to continue becomes active. This step is there to make sure you're making a deliberate choice. After you've typed delete, click the delete button to finalize. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to complete a quick verification, such as confirming via email or entering a two-factor authentication code. Follow any on-screen instructions until you see a confirmation that the account deletion has been processed. When the process completes, you'll be signed out. If a page still appears cached or you remain on a logged-in view, refresh the page or close and reopen your browser. From this point on, you won't be able to access features tied to that account, and synced data across devices will no longer be available. If you try to log back in with those credentials, you'll likely be prompted to create a new account instead. That's it, you've successfully deleted your CoinGecko account. If your goal was to reduce notifications or alerts rather than remove the account entirely, remember for the future that those settings can be adjusted in your profile without deleting the account. Thanks for watching, and take care.